Introducing the revolutionary Rumble Hog. One drum, 3 functions. Grinder, groover, and rumbler. The fastest, most versatile, and only multifunctional system like it in the world. Make smooth cuts on either side of the road without gouging the pavement. Our polycrystalline diamond edge cutting teeth last up to 500 miles on some asphalts and many times longer than standard carbide teeth. Grinding, grooving, and rumbling widths from 4 to 20 inches and an onboard water tank supply for dust suppression. Cut grooves or grind pavement markings at speeds that can exceed 5 miles per hour. Cut rumble strips at up to 5 miles per hour for narrow widths, and a solid 3 to 4 miles per hour for full widths up to 20 inches, and customize your rumble strip patterns on the fly. One machine, one operator, and multiple applications. The Rumble Hog, ready to tackle your next grinding, grooving, or rumbling job.